Welcome to the cooler report. I'm going to introduce the newest products on my right hand. This counter has the refrigerators, display cooler, and two-door units. Let's take a look at the overall sizes first. The unit's about like a 47 inches wide. And the overall height is about like 6.5 inches tall. And the depth of the unit is about like 23 inches deep. So as we can see the units, they're having two swing doors. You can open the handles from the middle. And the units coming with the LED lights on the side. When we keep looking down the front, we see the controllers and the switchers. One for the lights, one for the powers. And the units, the compressor is mounted at the bottoms. So the power plugs on the hand of the units using standard 110 plugs. When we open the units, we can see the 3 layers on each of the side. They are adjustable, the heights. Let's take the measurements for it. The rack will be about like 16 inches deep. Inner side wise, the length of the unit is about like 43 inches wide. And the overall height for the inner side, they are about like 41 inches tall. So also we can see the unit coming with a big cooling fan on top of the unit. And when we open the other side, we can see the ETL sanitation stickers and diagrams, and also cut sheets information, serial number for the units. So this will be all information about the demonstrations. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us.